Alright, got a, I believe a 90, 91. Yeah, it's a 1990 f250 6-cylinder. I pulled it out of my boneyard. Been sitting for a few years. Got a wee ladybug. And it's got pretty new tires on the front. F250. It's got brand new ones on the rear. It's pretty well scratched up. It's got a toolbox on both sides. Kind of just an old beater. It's got a few dents. There's those tires. Somebody was trying to do some repairs on it. The tires still look pretty fair, a little low. Inside, got the standard old roll-up windows, no AC. I did put a new headliner in there, kind of as a practice. And I also did a new seat cover. I've still got quite a bit of ways to go. I'm going to show you something here that's going wrong with this thing. Alright, so just regular old roll-up windows and stuff. But what's going on? These things are pretty well known for this little problem right here. This weld. It's broken right there where the wing window goes. And so what I'm going to do is figure out a way to get a patch panel up inside there. I'm going to try and come up with a plan. I know I used to do these back about 20 years ago. I can't remember the exact fix for these, but I think there was an actual piece of metal you had to put behind here, and you drilled a couple of holes and you spot welded that piece of metal in there. But what I did was I turned the MIG welder down to like 2 and real slow speeds, and I was able to get it to, I've still got a little cleanup on this, but these are, see, it's pretty strong now. It's kind of a weak area, but looks like it's back together enough. But I got a little more cleaning on grinding right here, and I'm going to touch it up with an off-white paint, which is, it's not Navajo, I think it's more Wimbledon white than anything. And I'll scrub this down a little bit and just mask off a little bit and just shoot it. It's a work truck, so it's not going to be a big deal, but I don't want it to rust. So we'll do that here after a bit. Anyway, there's a quick little fix it. Old thumbs up for you.